Welcome to Crypto Money, the channel that's all about making money through cryptocurrencies. Here we bring you the latest news, insights, and tips to help you navigate the exciting world of digital currencies. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, you'll find something here to help you make informed decisions and maximize your profits. From analyzing market trends to identifying promising investment opportunities, we cover it all. So join us on this journey to financial freedom and let's start earning some crypto money together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for tuning in and let's get started. In today's video, we discuss how to withdraw money from Binance. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. The first step in withdrawing funds from Binance is to log into your account. If you don't already have a Binance account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Step 2. Go to the wallet page. To withdraw funds from Binance, you need to navigate to the wallet page. This can be found by clicking on the Wallet tab at the top of the screen. Once you are on the wallet page, you will see a list of your available balances. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Next, you need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from Binance. Binance supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. You can search for your desired cryptocurrency by using the search bar or by scrolling through the list of available options. Step 4. Click on the Withdraw button. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw, click on the Withdraw button next to that particular coin. This will take you to the withdrawal page for that specific cryptocurrency. Step 5. Enter the withdrawal address. The next step in withdrawing funds from Binance is to enter the withdrawal address. This is the address of the wallet you wish to send the funds to. It's important to double-check this address to ensure that it is correct, as sending funds to the wrong address can result in the loss of your funds. Step 6. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the withdrawal address, you need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Binance will automatically display the maximum amount you can withdraw based on your available balance, but you can choose to withdraw a smaller amount if you prefer. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal amount, as some cryptocurrencies have a minimum withdrawal amount. Step 7. Enter any additional information. Depending on the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing, you may be required to enter additional information such as a memo or tag. This information is optional, but it's important to enter it correctly if it is required, as it can affect the success of your withdrawal. Step 8. Confirm the withdrawal. Once you have entered all of the required information, you can click on the Submit button to confirm your withdrawal. Binance may require you to confirm the withdrawal via email or two-factor authentication, depending on your account security settings. Step 9. Wait for the funds to arrive. Once your withdrawal has been confirmed, Binance will begin processing your withdrawal. The time it takes for the funds to arrive in your wallet will depend on the cryptocurrency you are withdrawing and the network congestion at the time. Some cryptocurrencies may take longer to process than others, so be patient and check the status of your withdrawal periodically. Withdrawing funds from Binance is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. It's important to ensure that you enter all of the required information correctly to avoid any delays or complications. And that's a wrap for this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your journey towards financial freedom through cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more insights and tips on making money with cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.